ingredient dito, talangka. Sarap.
So first we marinate the fish. When you isda pa rin, and then yung lasa ng marinade kailangan sa labas lang. So that's why I went to a little tip. Basically it's soy sauce, this is paminta, this is lemongrass salt.
Generally, for yourself, the demonstration of a little bit, but you want to make sure that
even while pakitingnan po natin kung ano po yung magiging resulta after shaking po. So ngayon po ang
Downy. You improve Downy po.
walang
po. May magic! Oh my God, magic!
So ngayon pakitingnan po natin yung magiging resulta.
Yan yung Brandex. Yan yung Brandex.
Natin hindi lang po kahit ano pong amoy, kayang-kaya pa rin po tanggalin.
Just prepared for all of you today, for each and every one of you today. I don't live here anymore, but this is our formula from Dami, and that's why it can actually put it into Philippines. It's just wet or dry. So talagang kapag ma-email, we really innovate on our products to make sure we deliver. For joining us today, and the beautiful Bianca. Thank you so much for holding our segue. Again, Dami Buko Now. Thank you.
Camille Fat! Hi! This is Kelly Kelly.
Ay, si ano?
Kasi Bianca. And I'm Kelly Kelly.